Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 27th of April 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. Okay, so now question number 1. Which state government has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the NIXI-CSC Data Services Centre to create an international grade data center? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is in Tripura. So the Tripura government has signed an MOU with NIXI-CSC Data Service Centre, a joint venture of the National Internet Exchange of India, NIXI and CSC e-Governance Service. So to establish an international standard data center at Indranagar, headquarter of IT Bhavan in Tripura. Okay, so now question number 2. India will offer how much more financial aid to Sri Lanka in order for it to purchase gasoline while the later it experiencing its greatest financial crisis? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is USD 500 million. So recently India will provide an additional USD 500 million in financial aid to help the Sri Lanka island nation buy fuel, and the Bangladesh was willing to postpone USD 450 million in a swap repayment to help Colombo. So recently, this is the second USD 500 million in gasoline credit that India has given to Sri Lankan government, grappling with the country's greatest financial crisis in living memory. Okay, so now question number 3. Which bank has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the CBDT and CBIC for the collection of direct and indirect tax? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Dhanlakshmi Bank. So basically for the collection of taxes, Dhanlakshmi Bank has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Central Board of Direct Tax and the Central Board of Indirect Tax and Custom. So basically, Dhanlakshmi Bank said in regulatory filing that the Reserve Bank of India has authorized the bank to collect different taxes based on recommendation from the Controller General of Account. Okay, so now question number 4. Name the Indian American defense expert who has been selected for the 6th Entrepreneur Leadership Award 2022 category of the global leader in the defense and aviation sector. So the correct answer of this question is option C. So recently, the Indo-American Chamber of Commerce has picked Indian American Chief Executive Officer of the General Atomics Global Corporation, Vivek Lal, for the prestigious Entrepreneur Leadership Award in appreciation of his contribution to the defense sector. So the Indo-American Chamber of Commerce was founded in 1968 and is a premium bilateral chamber for India-US commercial cooperation. Okay, so now question number 5. According to the World Steel Association data, which of the following country was only one among the world's top 10 steel manufacturing nations to have an increase in steel output between January and March 2022? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is India. So as per the data released by the World Steel Association, India is the only country among the top 10 steel producing nations of the world which has registered growth in steel production between January and March 2022. Okay, so now next question. Which IIT signed an MOU with the Northern Region Load Dispatch Center of Power System Operation Corporation Limited to stimulate research on topics related to India's power sector? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is IIT Delhi. So recently the Power System Operation Corporation Limited, Northern Regional Load Dispatch Center, signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Indian Institute of Technology, that is IIT in Delhi, to encourage research on issues relating to India's power sector and strengthen the interaction between academia and industry. Okay, so now next question. World Book and Copyright Day is observed every year on which day? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is on 23rd of April. So recently every year on 23rd of April, World Book and Copyright Day is observed to promote the love of the reading. Okay, so now question number 8. Ashwin Yardi has named co-chair of the UNICEF Wuhan, the Indian branch of Generation Unlimited. So which company's CEO is Ashwin Yardi? So the correct answer of this question is option D. So recently Yuvan in India announced that Ashwin Yardi, the CEO of the Camp Jammy in India, has joined the organization starting immediately alongside UNICEF representative as being the co-chair of the organization. Okay, so now question number 9. Which of the following organization has performed the Locked Shield cyber defense exercise in Tallinn in Estonia? So the correct answer of this question is option D. So recently the NATO, the full form of NATO is North Atlantic Treaty Organization, multi-day cyber defense exercise brought together two technical experts from alliance countries and Ukraine nearly 2 months after the Russian invasion. Okay, so now last question. Which broadcasting company recently signed a memorandum of understanding with the Argentina Public Broadcast Radio Television, also known as RTA, for broadcasting collaboration? The correct answer of this question is option B. The Prasar Bharati has signed an MOU with the Public Broadcasting of Argentina Radio Television for collaboration in the field of broadcasting. So the MOU encompasses a range of fronts in media and broadcasting set to exemplify the communication and transmission networking of both the nations. So India and Argentina share a relation and developmental partnership in area of political, economic, scientific and technological cooperation. Okay.